Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can view CCS entitlement variations by using the notifications and the CCS entitlement variation report. Each time a child's entitlements vary or have an update, you will receive this as a notification on your home screen. When clicking on the notification will look like something like this. It will indicate if hours have updated, the CCS percentage has updated, if the annual cap has been reached, or if the child has reached their 42 absent days. This comes in handy when it comes close to the end of financial year. Children may be reaching their annual cap, which means they will lose CCS entitlements. They'll be coming to the end of their 42 unexplained days, or the guardians have updated their income, reflecting the last part of the financial year. This information can also be reflected on the CCS entitlement variation report. To locate this report, you can click on the Reports menu and under CCS, click on CCS entitlement variation. When reviewing the report, it will indicate the child's entitlements and you can see clearly what has changed. When filtering this report, you can either show just the changes and you can ignore any of the absent changes. If you do want to review all of your year-to-date absent changes, you can simply untick this option. This report is going to reflect all of the changes that you would have received as notifications. So again, in and around coming towards the end of a financial year, when you see the annual cap has been reached, in the cap reached column, this will identify as yes. For any further information on the CCS entitlements or the variations, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.